Okay, so this is day 6 post CO2 laser, and it kind of feels the same as yesterday because it's completely peeled once. I think maybe it will peel again, but I don't know. There's not a lot of videos and information out there, like the day-to-day progression. And I know everybody's different. So what is happening with me may be different than what other people are dealing with. So what I want to say is my pain level is 0, but because I'm still washing my face so much, it's itchy still, not crazy bad. So Benadryl is your best friend. So I take that. And I'm also, just for the like slight discomfort, I'm still taking Tylenol. They told me to take Tylenol. So I'm taking 650 milligrams, and it's an 8-hour like extended release. And so that's really all I do. I'm still washing my face 4 times a day. And yesterday I actually was cleaning my kitchen, back to work from home. I took a shower last night, washed my hair. It doesn't really look like it because I just put it back up because you don't want if you have long hair, I have really long hair, you don't want your hair to get in all of the aquaphor and stuff because that's kind of gross. And so, but other than that, I am thriving. I'm so thankful I did it. I'm still swollen, and that's okay. So day 6, not regretting it. So I did my eyelids, and you guys, they told me it would like shrink them up because as you age, if you get the extra skin, I had that going on. And it was actually interfering with my design work when I'm doing a lot. And you guys, I can totally tell. I can totally tell it worked. I cannot wait to see the final results. I'm so happy I did this. It was great for me. This is day 6 look. You can just see my face is really red, but I'm feeling really good.